Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. Make sure to click that button below to subscribe. I post new videos pretty much every week, keep you moving in a positive direction as we go forward. And we're coming off, of course, a powerful beginning of this month of August with the Lion's Gate and the super moon that we have. A lot more to come in this month. But I wanted to focus on something today that is also going to be critical as we continue our ascension process. And one of these things is really the society that we've gotten to now, which has become very narcissistic. And of course, we know there's healthy narcissism, and of course there is negative, on the other side, unhealthy narcissism. But we move into a position where our own self-interest has overtaken everything else. And don't get me wrong, we have to love ourselves. We have to be interested in ourselves, of course. But we've gone so far now to everything's about me, and whether it's social media or what people are doing or how people are reacting. And again, I don't judge anything, but it's just something to be aware of, that our self-interest in everything that we're doing and not looking at the big picture, or not being aware of everybody else, or maybe not being aware of how what we're doing is affecting other people. These are very important things as we elevate and ascend, because we are all one energy. And if all I do is focus on my own self-interest, I am getting away from the principle or concept of greater good. Now, obviously, you want to be your best self. You want to love yourself. You want to feel good about who you are. And that is critical, very important, obviously, as we evolve. On the other side of that, when I go too far and I become too egoic or too narcissistic, I am cutting away all of the other people, all of the other energy that is sitting there, that's part of the big picture. And it's a downfall for us, because now I've moved away from the strength of realizing we are all one energy and moving into a position where I've just focused on myself. And this is a balancing act. You're going to be walking between two places. You're walking between self-love and doing what's best for yourself, but also focusing on the greater good. And how do you make sure that that whole picture, it's a complete picture, not just one side of the coin. And we don't judge people who do it. A lot of people are here in a very highly egoic state. That's their journey to have. For those of us who are looking to ascend, we want to make sure we see the big picture, and we are not only tunnel visioned in one way. So again, see everything, love everybody, understand that we're all one energy. And as you do that, we'll continue to expand and grow. So have a great one. I'll see you soon.